Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to add a filter to your snaps. So it's really simple. From the home screen, you want to press on the camera button all the way down. And now you guys are ready to take a picture. But on the bottom right here, you can just swipe and add the filters that already exist on Snapchat. So there's this filter, there's the Uber Eats filter, and all of these change. This is crazy. All of these change like every week, every month. There's some that stay year round. But it's basically you add the filter and you can take a picture or do a video with the filter on. So the way you do it is I can take a picture by just pressing on that filter. And now I can just click on send it to and send it to whoever I want, or I could post it on my story. So that's how you add filters. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.